Hi guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your first measurements and using KPIs. So let's go to create our first KPIs, how to create measures, all measures to from this data to in our own tables that we created here. So it is already connected, right? So we are going to calculate from here the number of casuals from our dates using this date calendar table. So let's go to find how many results are there on this data. Let's go to find out how to create it. So come to here guys, right click and then to new measure. Okay. These new measures we're using current year casualties, current year casualty. Okay, total. Want to find total y to d, and here we want to use in some number of casualties, right? We want to find some number of casualties. So, and from here, we want to close the bracket. You see here, guys, we have the expressions and date, right? So we are already using this expression of the total y to d sum of the numbers. So number of casuals, and now we are going to give date, right? Date. Let's go to our second we say calendar, because we want to get from here, right? Calendar date, then closing bracket, then enter. Look, our table, our row or line is already created. So this way guys, how to create a or how to using measurements. Then let's go to find how it's look. So we have here a KPIs. It's called KPIs, guys. KPIs influence, but I'm going to show you how to using KPIs. We have a new card guide KPIs here, and then we have old one. So let's go to get this one. Here, let's go to drag. We have a 196, right? And then also sometimes guys, you just uh, like this click to work. And then also I'm going to show you how to redesign, or how to to fix all this one, and then using some kind of colors, and then to fix all the size like this. And also let's go to show you from where you come to here, from visualization from format. Everything is going to be done from here guys, and this is a table, or this screen here. Everything is going to be created here guys, to remember. And we are also going to use here so many things from top here, but let me to show you from here guys. You can go to use thousands, millions, or billions. So you're going to use from here if you want, and you change color, and then font size, or so everything you're going to do from here. And yeah, and what else? Okay, you come to generate here the properties, and then also okay, here guys, if you want to use a decimal number, use look. If decimal number, it's going to be look like that. And then if you want to change color, don't know which color is your favorite, so you go to this symbol color, right? So this is a way you are going to create your font size. You see, upload. So just I'm showing you now how to create a measurements all the TPRs. So I'm going to show you in my next tutorial everything you're going to learning. I'm looking forward to see you guys. If you're new here, like, subscribe. We are going to learn complete data analyze and dashboards. So you are going to use after this one. You are going to have a complete portfolio for data, Power BI, uh, Microsoft dashboard. Okay, looking forward to see you. Bye for now.